civil disobedience and written by Thoreau. And complete notes of the civil disobedience and introduction and civil disobedience and resistance to civil government or the duty of civil disobedience is the result of thorough protest against the government of America as it favored slavery or was a tyranny over the individual. The essay has about 20 pages. It was the first published in 1849 in Elizabeth Peabody short-lived periodicals atheistic papers under the title Resistance to Civil Government. The essay has universal appeal and therefore it is famous all over the world according to the an anthology, American literature of the 19th century and complete of the इंट्रोडक्शन एंड कोटेशन इसे देख लीजिए आप लोग ओके एंड उसके बाद नेक्स्ट सेकेंड पैराग्राफ एंड थर्ड एंड फोर्थ ओके एंड लास्ट कंक्लूजन एंड कंप्लीट ऑफ द सिविल डिसोबीडियंस एंड or the thorough questions related to this topic and to combine of the questions and thorough are the civil disobedience okay and the next question Walt Whitman as a transcendental moment as the poet you can answer the reply of the Walt Whitman okay as the American poet as a transcendental poet so and starting to the introduction Walt Whitman was one of the pioneer of the transcendental movement of the 19th century American literature and there is no wonder that Whitman is preoccupied with the larger issues of liberty equality fraternity in the mid 19th century America and the poet is a mystic poet and wrote on the democratic ideals and to his poetic achievement is immense like his father Whitman believed and that every person was guided by by an inner light and so he composed very much on the glory of the soul okay and उसका नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ इसे लिखिएगा एंड थर्ड एंड फोर्थ एंड लास्ट कंक्लूजन ओके एंड you make mention and the most important issues any problem and to the comment in the box and please and quotation is very important part of the answer questions and you learn okay and please share like and subscribe and thanks for watching.